guys, it's me, Taylor. I am back, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clear slime, and it's going to be a while until you can actually get the clearness of the slime, so don't worry, that's how it's supposed to be. But, I also want to make an announcement that I am not in North Carolina, I am in Pennsylvania, and I think I mentioned that in one of my videos. If I didn't, then sorry. But yeah, I am in Pennsylvania, I'm staying here for a month, and I am going to have a lot of fun here. This Sunday, I'm going to an amusement park. It's a water amusement park with my cousin. I might make a video there, I don't know, maybe. If I don't, then I'll just tell you guys. But one thing that I will be doing actually is I will be taking my video camera and taking videos while I'm in Wildwood. It's like another little amusement park. They have a beach, a pool, a hotel. They have like a boardwalk with all these different kind of rides on it. And I'm gonna be filming it on my video camera. I might upload it so that way it can be on my YouTube channel. I don't know, maybe. I don't know yet. But yeah, so let's just get right to the video. Okay, I don't know why I just paused it. But, so, in this video, you're going to need a bowl. You're going to need some clear glue. And this is from Crazy Art, but it will still work because I already tried it. And the slime that I have is upstairs actually, so I already tried this. So I'm sure I know it will work. Oh, and one more thing, at the end, before this video even ends, I'm going to be show you guys all the stuff that I got from 5 Below, and I've been there a lot of times here. You're also gonna need, and so back to what we're supposed to be. You're gonna need some baking soda, some food coloring, and a cup. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. So the reason why you need this cup is you're gonna need some water in the cup. So let's go get some. Okay, so this is the kitchen. There's a sink, and you're not gonna need a whole bunch of water. You're just gonna need some water, not a whole bunch. Alright, so I got the water. I'm just gonna go over here because I forgot to grab a spoon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab one now. Okay. Okay, so in the cup of water, what you're gonna actually need to do is you're gonna need to take your baking soda. It can be warm or cold, just get water. And you're just gonna pour in some baking soda. It doesn't matter how much, to be honest. It really doesn't matter. And then just mix it, and then just go ahead and just set it to the side. Mix it just until it dissolves in the water. Just until you don't see it anymore, or you don't feel it. Okay, so we're just gonna let that sit over there. Now you're just gonna take your bowl and pour in your clear glue. You can pour in as much as you want. Get all this stuff in. I still have like.
What kind of vacuum is it?
Still, all this stuff right here. Sorry, that's not off. So you're just gonna pour in your clear glue.
Oh. Vacuum is.
I'm not gonna pour in.
It's 30. 30.
Okay, so we poured in our clear glue. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of food coloring, and I'm gonna make nice slime blue. I'm only doing 1 drop. There we go. Perfect. You know what I actually should have did? I should have added in the food coloring first, and then added in the clear glue. Because then it will give you that little cool thing, I guess. I've seen a lot of people do it, and it looks really cool. Okay, so here we go. We have our clear glue. I hope you guys can see that. Alright, so we have our clear glue now. And now we're just gonna stir it in. Look how pretty it looks. You don't need a lot. Okay. So there we go. Now we're gonna take our water, and here's where the magic happens. So we're gonna take our water full of baking soda. I'm just gonna pour in some, not a lot, well, as much as you basically want to. I don't care. But then, like, as you start to mix it in, you start to see the consistency of slime happen. See, you start to see the consistency of slime happen.
Tilt the bowl. No, just tilt the bowl. Tilt the bowl. Yeah.
So I am done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Okay.
You don't need a lot of water. That's the problem. You don't need a lot of water because you don't want to overactivate it. And I'm surprised. Like, I was surprised yesterday. When I did it, that it had actually worked. Like with just the baking soda. Like, that was really surprising to me yesterday because I did not think that it was going to work. Like, really, because like it worked just like you were using borax. Like, that was the crazy part about this. It worked just like you were using borax. Okay, I'm just gonna set the spoon down. So, once you have it like you want to have it, so take it out of the bowl and like work it. Okay? So you just want to just work it like you want it out. Some of it just flung on the top of my head. Okay. So that's what I have now. Okay, so that is what I have now. I'm just going to take the rest of it off of the spoon. I am so happy that this actually worked. So really, you don't need a lot. You just need a splash of water and then bam, magic happens. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm actually going to take this upstairs and put it in the other bowl of clear slime that I have, because the other bowl of clear slime that I have is actually another pretty one. But I've already let that sit for 3 days, and you need to let it sit for 3 to 7 days. So we're going to let this sit for 3 to 7 days. And yeah, so actually guys, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to go pour the rest of this water out. And because, what's the point of having all this water? I just wasted a lot of baking soda. And I'm actually, you know what I'm going to do guys? I'm going to make another clear slime. Only with a little bit of water. Okay. So just let this sit, but you need to have a lid over it, so that's just going to sit for right now. And I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to make it again. This time I'm not going to use a lot. Okay. I feel like I have to add more baking soda. Oh no, I don't. Bam, bam. There it goes. I'm trying to make this one not a lot of bubbly, because I really want like my clear slime now. Like, I really want it now. That's like, this is like another way. So like another way how you guys can do it, if you guys don't want like all the extraness and like all the bubbles of flavoring, like another way how you guys could do it is oh no, nobody saw that. Okay, so guys, what had just happened was my cup had accidentally spilled over, but guess what? There's good news. There was no water in the cup. Yeah, that's the good news. Okay, because all my slime had just absorbed it. Okay, so apparently you're still gonna have to let it wait either way, because I thought you didn't have to let this one wait. because you put the activator in first, and then you put in the glue, but you still have to let it wait anyway. Guess what I'm gonna do? Bam! I just jam slap that right into the bowl. I said I wasn't gonna make a lot of this, but I lied. Okay. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go upstairs and we're going to put this in the bowl that already has my clear slime in it. But first, I have to clean up this mess, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am upstairs now with all my stuff. And what I'm about to do now, sorry this is all by the way. Okay, so I need to put all this stuff back, and I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got from oh, there's still more slime in there. All the stuff that I got from 5 and Below. Okay. I don't have a lot of time. I only have 4 minutes left to make this video. So, okay. So I'm just gonna. So here's my first slime. As you see, it's not really that bubbly anymore because I've been letting it sit for 3 days, almost 4. So yeah. So let's just go. So here's my 5 and Below bag, and what I got from there was this tie-dye kit. And I cannot wait to use it. I'm gonna use it when I get home to my actual home. I bought me this little froggy. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's a cute little froggy. And when you squish it, look, there's Orbeez inside of it. And I have bought another one for my friend Belle, because I told her I would bring her something back from here. My cousin got me some sunglasses. They are Hatchimal. I cannot wait to wear those. In this bag, I had also got me a hot glue gun, because I've always wanted one to do like real projects. So now we can do like cool real project, guys. Yay! And this bag, this is like just all my slime stuff, like glue bottles, glitter glue bottles, baking soda, clear slime. Oh yeah, I got the clear slime from 5 and Below. Clear slime, food coloring, and all that stuff. And I had also got me a basketball so I can practice my drills, baby, guys. So yeah, so that's all the stuff that I got from 5 and Below. Oh yeah, my cousin also bought me this LOL thing. It has a puzzle inside of it. It's hard to open and hard to put back, so I'm not gonna open it. Okay, so, oh my god. Look how clear it looks on the bottom. Okay, I'm not taking that out because that is almost done. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my blue slime and then just, bam, just plop it right on the top. See that? So that way you can go like that. Can you guys, you can't really see how clear it is on the bottom because it's in this bad container, but it's like so clear on the bottom. But I will say one thing, guys. When you make this slime and you go to like check on it and like poke it, it's gonna seem rough at the top, but trust me, at the bottom it is stretchy slime. I promise you, because I just felt it and it felt so weird. And I was like, oh no, I was gonna say, oh no, it's ruined. But then when I picked it up, it was perfect. So don't worry, guys. Your slime will be perfect. Your slime will be fine. Look at all my stuff. So yeah. So don't worry, guys. Your slime will be fine. It's not ruined or anything like that. I promise you. I would not lie to you. Okay? So that's where I'm going to leave it at this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I'm sorry I'm in the staircase hallway. But I hope you guys like this video. Please give a like and a thumbs. Please give a like and a thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Can you please try to get this video up to like, I'm not asking for much, so can you please try to get this video up to like 50 likes and try to get to, let's see, 40 subscribers? That would make me very, very proud, and I swear to God, guys, I will do something very, very special. Just leave it in the comments what you guys want me to do now, what you guys want me to do next in my next video if we get this up to 40 subscribers. Okay? I promise I will do anything if you guys want me to do, as long as it's not dangerous and it's not going to kill me. So, I will do anything you guys want me to do if I get 40 subscribers and 50 likes. Okay? Well, bye, guys.